everyone! Welcome back to Have Fun with Shapes with Susan. Today we're gonna make our last figure. That is going to be a baby. Let's get started. Wah, wah. Oh, don't cry, baby, don't cry, baby. I'm gonna give you the color. Look, I got the stickers. Let's make the baby more beautiful. First, the baby needs a face. Round pink circle. 1 ear, 2 ears. We have 2 small semicircles as the ears. Look at me. Look what I have for you. Some milk. Wah, wah. You're so cute, baby. Look, let me comb your hair. You're so cute. Wah, wah, wah. Ooh, this is our cute baby. Look, the baby is smiling. Oh, don't make the baby cry because it's going to be too loud. I love this baby. And did you enjoy making fun with shapes with Susan? I bet you have. Fun with shapes. I love it. Bye.